said, son, this land is yours, was his last words I heard. I'm here to say I'll die today on the strength of my broad word. Our leader stepped out to face him, said, son, we mean no harm. We came today to cut a right away for the railroad to your farm. All said there'd be many like you who try to steal my land. Not to back and ink, but to call each bluff with a shotgun in my hand. So take your crew and leave here. You've been warned, the young lad said. The leader laughed and went on to work, and he shot our leader dead. Shotgun, that's what they called him. He was only 17, but shotgun Slade with a gun in his hand was the meanest man I've seen. No one else even raised a tune. Instead we all turned tail. The sheriff didn't even bother to put shotgun in jail. The land grant deeds and records, they searched all day till night. They all agreed to let him be. The shotgun Slade was right. So today way out in Texas, there's a road that's still unmade. There's never been a choo-choo train across the land of shotgun Slade. Shotgun, that's what they called him. He was only 17, shotgun Slade with a gun in his hand was the meanest man I've seen. Shotgun, shotgun, but shotgun Slade with a gun in his hand was the meanest man I've seen. But shotgun Slade with a gun in his hand was the meanest man I've seen. But shotgun Slade